Hi, my name's Jack Weir. I'm with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Here today to look at our newly acquired 2017 Thor Challenger 37DT. Beautiful coach, full body paint. It's on the Ford Triton V10 chassis, 6.8 liters, 320 horse, 460 on the torque. It does have a 5.6 kilowatt Onan gas generator. Dry camping in this thing, be a breeze. Beautiful colors, beautiful paint, excellent condition. Got great basement storage. You've got full aluminum wheels all the way around. This has got the beautiful U-shaped dining. This gives you a full family can sit around on and eat your dinner. It's got full wood all the way across the back with storage underneath. Got a beautiful linoleum floor, looks great. Side-by-side Dometic refrigerator freezer, very large, and it does have an ice maker. Got a nice sharp carousel microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and gas oven. Nice Corian countertops with a double sink, nice faucet, and a built-in Black & Decker coffee maker. Good over sink storage, full pulls on your storage on the sink, under sink, plenty of room for a garbage can or whatever else you may want to put down there, pots and pans. You also have an L-shaped love seat here. Got your full control panel here, really easily accessible. Moving back, you've got your full glass enclosed shower, plenty of towel storage. Your lav is separate from your shower. And your sinks, you've got 2 sinks. This is unusual in a 37-foot. You got a his and her sink, Corian countertops, plenty of storage, and a combination washer dryer. Another very unusual setup for a 37-foot gas. Moving back to the back, you've got a queen size walk around on the bed. Got wardrobe on that side, wardrobe on each of these sides. Nice television, very deep, very long pulls on your storage. You got 4 in the center, 2 on each side. Again, this is the Thor. It's a beautiful coach. If you've got any questions, come give me a call at 541-654-1820 or email me at jack.weir@guarantee.com. Thank you very much.